Good evening, friends. How are you? Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. I hope you like this channel. We learn different type of color painting drawing here. Today we are going to color a doll. I hope you like this video. Let's enjoy and keep watching the video. Very nice. Now we choose black color for hair. As you know that hair is black.
Wow!
She is birthday girl. Very beautiful. Nice dress.
Wow!
She looks very beautiful.
Oh no!
Nice color. Good job and keep it up. Now it's complete.